Hi class, I'm here today to go over your cognitive distortions worksheet. This is one of 3 assignments that you have due at the end of week 3 this week. So make sure you get started early. Okay, looking at your cognitive distortions worksheet, like always, you want to make sure you include your name on the worksheet. Now, it's important that you have already read chapter 3 of your textbook, because there it will have a list of all of the cognitive distortions along with definitions of those distortions. And that's necessary to complete this assignment. Now, you're just going to be filling out this table here. And you can see the first column here, select the cognitive distortion. So you need to, there's about 10 that are provided in the textbook. You're going to choose 5 of them. You'll see there's a place for 5 of them. And in this first column here is where you're going to tell me which cognitive distortion you're focusing on for the row. So first you want to make sure you do that. In the example table here, it's always being right is the one they chose. And then next to that, in the next column over, you'll need to provide a definition of that distortion. So use your own words to explain what that distortion means. Don't forget that. That's one of the more common things students forget to do on this worksheet. Then in the third column, you're going to answer prompts A, B, C, and D for each distortion. You can see in the example, they did A and answered each one of them. Combined, your response for A, B, C, and D for each cognitive distortion should be between 150 to 200 words. Now, if you don't know how to find that out, I'll show you right now. To find out what your word count is for just a portion of an assignment, you highlight or select it here, and then you look down at the bottom of the page here, and you can see that's 171 words out of the 318 total. So for each of your the third column responses there, you want to do that and make sure it's at least 150. And then finally, just make sure that you include all 5 cognitive distortions and you don't stop working on the worksheet before it's fully completed, and you should do just fine. If you do have any questions about this assignment or any of the other assignments this week, you can send them to me in the individual form or the questions to instructor form. Have a great week.